So this is just a video comparison. What I'm using right now is actually an Acer Aspire 5. It's about 4 years old. I'm using the onboard mic and webcam, and the lighting is just indirect sunlight right now. So this is what it looks like with the just the regular webcam.
And this is using the webcam. As you can see, it is a bit clearer. The sound comes through pretty well. You can probably hear the Simpsons that I have in the background.
This is for the Jellycomb 1080p webcam. I'm using it right now under normal room light with its microphone, which has pretty good pickup. It was an inexpensive web camera, and let's face it, it's hard to justify paying $200 or $300 for the top name brand camera, especially when you're just starting out. Jellycomb 1080p Full HD webcam seems to do the trick at a nice price.